Okay, here's a look at Gobbler's Knob, where they have the annual Groundhog Day thing. I've always wanted to see this place. I was never able to. Because I remember as a kid, wanted to go see it. My dad said it didn't exist. Gobbler's Knob, weather capital of the world. Look at that. That is so cool. It's in there. This is so neat. Look at that. That's so cool. Okay. Going in. Never been here before. Really warm out.
Right there.
Oh, right there. Oh my gosh, right there. I've never been here before. This is the coolest thing.
We're going.
Hopefully this will get a lot of people too. This is so cool.
Something here.
Okay, let's go. Check it out. Let's check it out like Dr. Steve will say. Okay. If I can get out. My knee's killing me. Look at that. We're going down the first time ever. Gobbler's Knob. Look at this. Where they had annual. Look at this. This is so cool. Hi. Gobbler's Knob, home of Punxsy Phil, weather capital of the world. Look at this. This is where the event takes place. Oh man, this is the coolest thing ever. Look at that. This is where the groundhog is. Well, I don't think he's there now. But right there, where Phil is, right there.
Yeah, it wasn't that long ago we ate. It's a good idea.
I'd never seen this place before, ever. Because I was like, Dad, when we go see it, and Dad said, that place doesn't exist. Well, no, I think it's cool. Well, when we see my great-grandmother, oh, they got a whole bunch of dedicated bricks too. Look at that. This is where it is. Oh, for sure, thumbs. Gee, I can't see the thing. It's so bright. That's so cool. Punxsutawney, PA.
Taylor, you should.
Gobbler's Knob. Look at that. This is so cool. Family section. Looking down. Down. But this is where Phil's at.
Well, he's not in here.
Well, he's not in there yet.
He's in the library. Here, let Taylor take a picture of you.
Okay, stand on here.
I don't care.
Jesus.
I wouldn't do it. I don't think it's safe. I don't think it's safe.
Okay. Yeah, okay. Okay, get next to it. Okay. Okay.
Your pants a little bit.
Oh, dang it. Everything slides down.
Jason, no one needs to see your belly.
Okay. You got it? Awesome. You didn't get it, Tay? Wow, that's hot. Okay. Awesome. Look at Gobbler's Knob. Okay. Look at that. Look outside here too, looking down. This is so cool. Gobbler's Knob, home of Punxsy Phil. This is the coolest thing ever. This is where the event takes place on Groundhog's Day. I always wanted to go. We actually went down to Punxsutawney on Groundhog's Day when I was a kid. That's the only go, hey, look at that. It's not real, it's all made up. This is really cool. So,
The weather capital of the world.
Weather capital of the world. And that's where it comes out. So I'm not gonna See?
Right here.
So, that's it. I hope you liked this video, everybody. Until next time, please.
Steven, you want to get up?
Camera Legion.